Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. I am back again with part 4 of general knowledge. जनरल नॉलेज के क्वेश्चंस बहुत सारे थे तो इसीलिए उसको पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करना पड़ा. दिस विल बी द लास्ट पार्ट, पार्ट 4. पार्ट 1, 2 एंड 3 ऑलरेडी चैनल पे अपलोडेड हैं, आप देख सकते हैं. पार्ट 4 के जो क्वेश्चंस हैं उसमें हम लोग कंप्यूटर नॉलेज एंड हेल्थ केयर रिलेटेड न्यूज़ के बारे में क्वेश्चंस डिस्कस करेंगे. 20 क्वेश्चंस ईच, तो 40 क्वेश्चंस होंगे. आंसर साथ साथ में ही होंगे तो ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आप पेन पेपर लेकर बैठें. बैठना चाहते हैं तो बैठ भी सकते हैं. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट क्विकली. Who was the first president of independent India? Rajendra Prasad, Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Patel, B.R. Ambedkar. The right answer is Rajendra Prasad. In which year did India become a republic? 1947, 1950, 1952, 1949. The right answer is 1950. Which article of the Constitution guarantees the right to equality? Article 12, Article 14, Article 19, Article 21. The right answer is Article 14. अगर आपको लग रहा है कि मैं बहुत फास्ट जा रही हूँ तो आप प्लेबैक स्पीड को स्लो कर सकते हैं, एंड अगर बहुत लग रहा है कि स्लो जा रही हूँ तो आप प्लेबैक स्पीड को फास्ट कर सकते हैं. The Constitution of India was adopted on 15th August 1947, 26th January 1950, 26th November 1949, 2nd October 1950. The right answer is 26th November 1949. Who is regarded as the architect of the Indian Constitution? Mahatma Gandhi, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, B.R. Ambedkar, Rajendra Prasad. The right answer is B.R. Ambedkar. Which movement was launched in 1942 by Mahatma Gandhi? Non-cooperation movement, civil disobedience movement, Quit India movement, Swadeshi movement. The right answer is Quit India movement. Who was the first Prime Minister of India? Rajendra Prasad, Jawaharlal Nehru, Indira Gandhi, Lal Bahadur Shastri. The right answer is Jawaharlal Nehru. How many fundamental rights are there in the Indian Constitution? 5, 6, 7 or 8? The right answer is 6. Which part of the Constitution deals with fundamental right? Part 2, Part 3, Part 4, Part 5. The right answer is Part 3. Who was the first woman Prime Minister of India? Pratibha Patil, Sarojini Naidu, Indira Gandhi, Sushma Swaraj. The right answer is Indira Gandhi. Which Indian freedom fighter gave the slogan "Give me blood and I will give you freedom"? भगत सिंह, महात्मा गांधी, सुभाष चंद्र बोस, लाला लाजपत राय. तुम मुझे खून दो मैं तुम्हें आज़ादी दूंगा, किसने ये स्लोगन दिया था? द राइट आंसर इज सुभाष चंद्र बोस. What is the minimum age for becoming the president of India? 25, 30, 35, 40. The right answer is 35. Directive principles of state policy are mentioned in part 2, part 3, part 4 or part 5. The right answer is part 4. The Indian National Congress was founded in 1857, 1885, 1920, 1942. The right answer is 1885. Which freedom fighter is known as Punjab Kesari? बाल गंगाधर तिलक, लाला लाजपत राय, भगत सिंह, चंद्रशेखर आजाद. The right answer is Lala Lajpat Rai. How many schedules are there in the Indian Constitution? 10, 12, 15, 8. The right answer is 12. What is the length of the Indian Constitution when it was originally written? 300 articles, 395 articles, 400 articles, 420 articles. The right answer is 395 articles. Who elects the President of India? Citizens of India, Lok Sabha, Electoral College, Rajya Sabha. The right answer is Electoral College. Who was the Viceroy of India at the time of independence? Lord Irwin, Lord Mountbatten, Lord Curzon, Lord Wellesley. The right answer is Lord Mountbatten. Which article of the Constitution deals with emergency provisions? Article 32, Article 356, Article 370, Article 352. The right answer is Article 352. ये लास्ट क्वेश्चन था इस टॉपिक का. नाउ वी आर कमिंग ऑन टू करंट अफेयर्स एंड अवार्ड्स. हु वन द Ballon d'Or 2023? Lionel Messi, Erling Haaland, Kylian Mbappe, Cristiano Ronaldo. The right answer is Messi. Which film won the Best Picture at the Oscars 2023? The Fabelmans, All Quiet on the Western Front, Everything Everywhere All at Once, Avatar, The Way of Water. The right answer is Everything Everywhere All at Once. Who is the current Chief Justice of India? U. Lalit, D.Y. Chandrachud, N.V. Ramana, Arun Mishra. The right answer is D.Y. Chandrachud. Which Indian cricketer won the ICC Men's Player of the Month in January 2024? Virat Kohli, Mohammad Shami, Shubman Gill, Jasprit Bumrah. The right answer is Mohammad Shami. Which Indian city was included in the Time magazine's list of world's greatest places 2020? Mumbai, Ahmedabad, Kolkata, Hyderabad. The right answer is Ahmedabad. Who won the Nobel Peace Prize 2023? Nargis Mohammadi, Malala Yousafzai, Greta Thunberg, Antonio Guterres. The right answer is Nargis Mohammadi. ये सेम क्वेश्चन हमारे ये वाला सेम क्वेश्चन हमारे पार्ट 1 में भी था. अगर आप लोगों ने पार्ट 1 देखा है तो एक या दो क्वेश्चंस आर रिपीटेड आल्सो. Which team won the ICC Men's Cricket World Cup 2023? Australia, India, England, New Zealand. The right answer is Australia. Who was awarded the Bharat Ratna in 2024? L.K. Advani, Sachin Tendulkar, Atal Bihari Vajpayee, Pranab Mukherjee. The right answer is L.K. Advani. Which state won the Best Performer Award in Startup India Rankings 2023? Karnataka, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Tamil Nadu. The right answer is Gujarat. Who won the Miss World 2024 crown? Christina Paiskova, Sini Shetty, Carolina Belavaska, Manushi Chillar. The right answer is Christina Paiskova. Which Indian won the International Booker Prize in 2023? Arundhati Roy, Gitanjali Shri, Salman Rushdie, Jhumpa Lahiri. The right answer is Gitanjali Shri. Who won the Jnanpith Award 2023? Damodar Mauzu, Vinod Kumar Shukla, Nilmani Pookan, Shankha Ghosh. The right answer is Vinod Kumar Shukla. India's Chandrayaan 3 successfully landed on which part of the moon? North Pole, South Pole, Equator, Western Hemisphere. The right answer is South Pole. Which film won the Best Hindi Film at the National Film Awards 2023? Sardar Udham, Rocketry, Gangubai Kathiawadi, Mimi. The right answer to this question is Gangubai Kathiawadi. Which company became India's most valuable company by market cap in 2022? TCS, Reliance Industries, HDFC Bank, Infosys. The right answer is Reliance Industries. Who is the current president of India? Ramnath Kovind, Draupadi Murmu, Venkaiah Naidu, Pratibha Patil. The right answer is Draupadi Murmu. Which Indian airport ranked in the top 10 globally by Skytrax in 2024? IGI Airport, Kempe Gowda, Bangalore, Mumbai Airport, Hyderabad Airport. The right answer is Hyderabad Airport. अ, किसी भी क्वेश्चन में अगर आपको लग रहा हो ना ऐसा कि यार मुझे ये वाला आंसर करेक्ट लग रहा है, आप उसको ज़रूर मार्क करके आ जाना। जिसमें बहुत डाउट हो उसको कंप्लीटली छोड़ देना, लेकिन किसी में अगर शक हो रहा हो ना कि मुझे लग रहा है कि ये ठीक है तो मार्क कर देना। Which Indian was appointed as the CEO of Adobe 2024? Which Indian was appointed as the CEO of Adobe in 2024? Sundar Pichai, Arvind Krishna, Shantanu Narayan, Satya Nadella. The right answer is Shantanu Narayan. Which country hosted the G20 Summit 2023? USA, France, India, Indonesia. The right answer is India. इनकेस आप दिल्ली में रहते हो तब तो आपने अच्छे से देखा होगा कितना सजा हुआ था दिल्ली। Which Indian state became the first to launch a green hydrogen policy? गुजरात, केरला, महाराष्ट्र, तमिलनाडु। कौन सी इंडियन स्टेट ने सबसे पहले ग्रीन हाइड्रोजन पॉलिसी लॉन्च की है? गुजरात, केरला, महाराष्ट्र, तमिलनाडु। द राइट आंसर इज केरला। एंड दिस वाज द लास्ट क्वेश्चन, और ये हमारी लास्ट सीरीज का लास्ट पार्ट था। 4 पार्ट्स हो गए हैं। इन केस अभी तक आपने नहीं देखे हैं फर्स्ट 3 पार्ट्स, यू कैन गो एंड चेक द चैनल एंड यू कैन सब्सक्राइब फॉर मोर क्वेश्चंस। अब कंप्यूटर वाले क्वेश्चंस आने वाले हैं नेक्स्ट, एंड क्योंकि कंप्यूटर भी हमारे सिलेबस का पार्ट है, एंड उसके अलावा जो जनरल एमसीक्यू चल रहे हैं वो तो चलते ही रहेंगे। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग।